Welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. My name is Scott, and we've got seeds in the ground now. Today my little helper Samuel and I have planted beets and cucumbers today. Let's go see how we did it. Alright, it's February 26, 2018, and spring is really here. We had a little bit of a cool front come through last night, but it's time to get seeds in the ground, and so my son and I went out and put some cucumbers in the garden. I did some beets today. I got about 6 or 7 rows of various kinds of beets. But for cucumbers, Sam and I went out and we piled up 6 mounds of pure compost. This was last year's compost, the kind of compost. I actually have a video of this compost being made, and I'll link to that in the comment section. But we have 6 hills, about 18 inches in diameter and about 10 inches high. And in each hill we put about 3 or 4 seeds, cucumber seeds, and I'll probably have to thin them. But out of these 3 or 4 cucumber seeds we'll get a good plant. We'll trellis them later. Right now I just want to get seeds in the ground. And we're off to a good head start here at Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Let's go see some of the action, if you can call it action. Let's go see how we did it. Okay, so what are you doing now?
I just put the seeds in there.
You put seeds inside each hill?
Yep.
How many?
Each hill. We put 3 inside each hill.
And how far did you plant them in each hill? Show me on your finger.
Just about right to there.
So the first line on your finger? About an inch?
Just about.
Just about. And so you put 3 seeds in there, and then what did you do?
You pinch the dirt, like,
yeah,
just cover it up in some way, and you just kind of pack it in.
And what are we planting today?
We are planting these
cucumbers. What kind are they?
They are tender grain burpless.
Burpless. Just in case you eat a cucumber and burp, you're not supposed to be able to taste them if you eat those kind. Awesome. Well, we got some cucumbers in the ground now. So that is compost. We piled up compost and you patted them down about the size of a gigantic fire ant mound, right? Each one?
Yep.
That's about 10 inches. So our cucumber hills are how tall?
10 inches.
Awesome. Now we're going to probably have to trellis these. And I have some ideas about trellising. We'll figure out what we're going to do later, but we want to get these growing while we can. What is
10
that?
seconds to guess what this is.
I don't know what that is.
It's an eggshell.
Ah, eggshells. You know what eggshells give to the garden?
Nutrients?
They give a nutrient called calcium, which is a mineral, and it helps tomatoes and peppers especially.
So what you doing there, Daddy?
I'm getting us some mulch out of our compost pile. This is our...
So all that's in there is just hay, leaves, and grass.
Well, there's no hay in there really. It's just grass and oak leaves.
Yep.
We throw them in our compost bin, and we take the leaves off the top. Oak leaves make the best mulch I've ever used.
Yeah.
They really keep the weeds down.
Maybe.
They're heavy enough to not blow away. They don't break down in the first year.
Yep. So where are we gonna put all this?
We're gonna put this on our cucumbers. Keep the weeds down.
Yep. Good plan. So we're pulling this stuff along. I really want to be in the back of there.
All right. Everywhere but the top of that. Top of the hill. Put it on there thick. See how I'm doing everything but the top of the hill?
Yep. I'm doing it. I'm also throwing a frisbee to Phoebe.
Here, I got it.
Very cute. That's a lot.
The thicker mulch is, the better it works.
Phoebe.
And I don't want any weeds.
Nope. I did some good plucking of weeds today.
You did, didn't
you? Tell me if you see any weeds in this garden. Our dog. Always wants to play with the frisbee. I think that ought to be good, right?
No,
well,
I need maybe 1 or 2 more loads. Handfuls.
Right here.
The thicker the better. And I see some bald patches we don't have to cover up here. Thanks for joining me on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Please like my YouTube channel and my Facebook page and read my blog, and maybe we can learn something together. See you next time.